Patricia, the presidential flag bearer is on display, and we just have to. We just want to have a word with the new presidential flag bearer of the African. Arise News is live, Your Excellency. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And how will you bring healing to the party now in the midst of these contenders? I will appeal to them to come on board.
All right. Yes. And Nigerians are expecting the ADC to be different from other political parties. What exactly will you be bringing to the field in terms of your campaigns and driving a narrative?
We are bringing experience. We are bringing credibility. Because most of us who are leading this party have been in government before or in the private sector and have made success out of it.
And they say you don't have social media supporters and all of that. How do you drive the younger generation to accept
the younger generation are participating actively in the ADC.
And what's your last word to the Nigerian youth? Because they keep saying Nigerian youth, look, face you're old and you do not resonate with them. How will you resonate with them?
How will I not resonate? They are my children. How will I not resonate with them? I am doing it because of them.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's ask. Please don't lie.
Sorry. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Quickly.
Please, sir. Please.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
Finally, he has said it. How? What are your plans on ground? Because you mentioned on ground.
Sorry.
Your plans on ground. You mentioned a lot. Yeah. But there's one thing I think you're leaving out. We're talking about the inclusivity, women, children, the PWD.
I mean, if you go through the manifesto of ADC, you will find that it is heavily tilted in towards women and youth. And we intend to implement our manifesto. We are not pretenders like APC. Mark you.
Your message to your major opponent, President Bola Tinubu.
On the final note,
he should better pack and go back to Lagos.
Thank you. All right.